So this is actually the entrance to Blossom. Like if you were here last time, you know that this place used to be a hill, right? But you can see now all the land has been leveled because the dual carriage road is going to come from this side inside Blossom. So for you to know what we are about to do here, it's going to be massive, and we are still selling for 10 million naira per plot. And to be honest, many people are going to miss out, but if you're watching this video right now, you know that you have the opportunity to make a decision to buy at least one plot in Blossom Garden Estate right here, just few minutes to GRA, few minutes to Diamond Estate and Valley Estate. Okay, let me turn my camera so you can see how far we've gone already. So this is how far we have gone. You can see the road is still moving and we are still walking. Just to let you know, most of the promises that we said we would do, we're already doing it. Like the dual carriage road that is coming, you can see it's all leveled now. Very soon the drainage will start. So what are you still waiting for? If you have not subscribed, kindly reach out to me with the number somewhere on the screen to get started today. Okay, see ya.